How to change profile information on Ubisoft account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change profile information on Ubisoft account, or how you can change your Ubisoft account information. Well, while you might think that it is complicated, actually it's quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Simply open up your Ubisoft Connect app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now this might take some time to load up. Let this load up here, and once it loads up, you can see on the screen you'll get an interface like this. At the bottom of your screen you can see home, games, social, notifications and profile option. What you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, it should look somewhat like this. However, if you tap on it here and if you tap on edit option here, you can see you'll be able to change only your official Ubisoft avatar and such. However, if you want to edit your information, what you want to do is, once you're on profile, you want to tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it here, you want to tap on account management option, and this should prompt you to the other page. Here you can see it'll prompt me to Google. It's prompting me to Google, and here once you open it up, you can see it'll head to account management. Now you want to tap on the account information option at the very first, and you'll be able to edit your private information as well as your public information. You can see public profile and private information, and you'll be able to edit it. So this way you can change profile information on Ubisoft account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.